How to delete Facebook page. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to permanently delete your Facebook page but don't know how? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Facebook on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into the Facebook page that you want to delete. Once you are on your page, tap on the circle with your profile picture at the top right corner. Tap on the settings icon. Scroll down to the bottom. Under your information, you will see an option labeled Access and Control. Tap on it. Next, tap on Deactivation and Deletion. By default, it is selected as Deactivate Page. Since we are deleting a page, select Delete Page, then tap Continue. Again tap Continue. Once the deletion process begins, you won't be able to reactivate your page or retrieve any of its content. So before you delete it, you can say post in the archive, download or transfer your information from here. But I don't want to do any of that, so I will tap Continue. For security reasons, enter your Facebook password to proceed. Once entered, tap Continue. Finally, you will land on this confirmation page. Tap Continue and your Facebook page will be deleted. For now, I am not doing it. And boom! You have successfully learned how to delete a Facebook page. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.